Now we are going to check that all the solderings that we did in the previous steps have been done correctly. This step we should have been done in the second step, but we couldn't because we didn't have battery for the polymeter. So just remember that the red wire connect with the hole corresponding to the voltage, and the black wire connects to the COM port. Okay, and we need to select in the polymeter the scale of 20 volts in direct current, because we are going to measure voltages of the order of 10 or of the order of 10. So now let's check which is the voltage of the battery. So we need to connect the red wire to the red output of the battery and the black one to the black one. And let's check the measure. So now we have the battery supplying 8 volts, 8.22 volts, and we have to check that this voltage is correctly supplied to the speed controllers. So first, let's plug in the battery. The red wire with the red one of the battery, and then with the black one of the battery, and we'll check the measure. And now let's check if the connection of the speed controllers. For example, let's check this one. This motor is receiving the same current. Yeah, it is. Almost 8 volts. Another motor. Again, exactly the same. Okay, so we have checked that all the speed controllers are receiving the corresponding voltage.